Hey guys, Mitch here with Griffin Armament, standing alongside Jack today.
Hello.
Today we're going to talk to you guys about 4 different kinds of ammo selection. One being hunting, another one being defense, another one being match, and lastly, target shooting. Jack, you are a former police officer, so if you could speak a little bit about your ammo selection when it comes to training ammo and defensive ammo, that'd be fantastic.
Yeah, I guess I'll start out with the training ammo aspect side of things. Personally, I just like to go the cheapest route possible just because you get the most amount of rounds to have that training efficiency and getting that muscle memory in place. Defense ammo is kind of the opposite, buying less volume ammunition, but you want the highest quality stuff that ends the threat, if that kind of makes sense. So for like a training ammunition, you're mostly looking at like a 115 grain FMJ, or if you're going really specific, you want to match that to your duty load. So if you're shooting 115 grain training ammo like FMJ, you want to go like a 115 grain hollow point just so the recoil impulse will be the same. As far as like hollow points go, there's a couple different like types on the market. There's like the straight hollow points. I know like Hornady has a like polymer tipped stuff, so it has like better barrier penetration, but it's all personal preference at the end of the day, what defense ammo you use. Also, a good point is that when you're using defensive ammo, you honestly have to cycle that stuff out, because if you're concealed carrying, especially on your duty rig where it's exposed to water, humidity, heat, coffee maybe, you want to get that cycled out so you have the best stuff when you need it. I understand you're a big hunter and you like to take long shots very precisely. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so there's a couple different ammo selections here, one being match grade ammo. There's a little bit of crossover there between match and hunting ammo, with like a Hornady precision match, I think is what they call it, that 143 grain ELDX round. That I've seen that take game. I wouldn't recommend necessarily a match round. Even though they do have really good ballistic coefficients and they're great, they hold really tight groups. They're just not designed to expand like a match, or like a hunting ammo is designed to do. I don't know if you can see well behind me or not, but here in Wisconsin, we're taking those 75-yard max shots during hunting season. The woods do open up a little bit in November when rifle season is here, but not too much more than what you can see behind me. And I grazed whitetails for many years, worked on a hunting ranch, and I saw animals get killed with just about everything, whitetail and elk alike. Anything from a longbow to a .338 Lapua Magnum, I've seen those animals get killed with. But I hope that helped answer that question.
Awesome. Well, I hope this cleared up some ammo selection questions you guys had. If you have any more questions in the future, we're going to be releasing much more of these videos, so look forward to that. Also, reach out if you have any suggestions or anything like that as well. So have a good one, guys.